In this video, talk about heat treatment steel plant design and construction. Our innovative solutions are tailored to meet the unique challenges of your operations, providing state-of-the-art technologies that optimize every stage of the process. With our expertise, you can expect significant improvements in efficiency, consistency, and final product quality. We understand that the heat treatment process is critical for achieving the desired properties in steel products. That's why we focus on designing plants that not only meet industry standards, but also incorporate the latest advancements in automation and monitoring. Imagine a facility that streamlines operations, reduces waste, and ensures that every piece of steel is treated to perfection. Our team combines years of industry experience with cutting-edge engineering to create customizable designs that fit your specific needs. Whether you're upgrading existing infrastructure or building from the ground up, we'll guide you through each step to ensure your plant operates at peak performance. To know more details, contact our mobile number or visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.